So what'd you get?
Grilled chicken and green onion.
Ooh, I can smell it.
It's called negima. Yeah, I love this stuff.
And I got a parfait. I'm very skimming the top of it. There's a lot of fruit in here. The yogurt's down here. It's gonna take me a bit. Is it good?
No,
Uh-huh.
not even a little.
Okay. Stop playing.
It's so good.
Good. And we're in front of a map. Is that the whole Hachinohe area?
Yeah, down here you can see Kabushima Shrine,
Yep.
and this is the aquarium we walked by the other day.
Yep.
And then this takes us all the way down to
To the trail to
Hashikami and
Hashikami,
stuff later on.
which
Yeah.
that's where we live. Hachinohe and Hashikami are kind of like joined together. It's almost like Oklahoma City and more. That's the only example I have because we're from Oklahoma, so. And there's some tourist areas.